eSIM has transformed the roaming market altogether, first of all, and these traditional telcos cannot ignore. It is impacting their roaming revenue. They have to adjust their roaming fares, and a lot of them have actually developed eSIM travel offers and are entering this market. I'm thinking about Orange, Vodafone, Telefonica. And they're actually entering a very crowded market with the eSIM travel specialists, plenty of companies of all kinds and of all sizes. You also have the mobile virtual network enablers, the MVNEs, that have developed some offers that enable non-telco providers, banks, airlines, to in turn also propose eSIM travel packages. So it's a very competitive market with plenty of players, non-neglectable or significant acquisition costs, and all players absolutely have to differentiate and differentiate beyond price. Well, all matter. You don't bake a good cake without all the ingredients. But that said, once you have a solid offer and good operations, really the differentiation is on the user experience. And in particular, the user experience must be personalized, i.e., it must be tailored to a specific vertical segment, to a specific group of people, to the place where it's triggered. You don't address the same way a group of students or business travelers or retired people that are traveling. And the objective of an excellent and personalized user experience is that the customer will come back in his next travel, thus increasing your user base and decreasing your acquisition costs. And then technically speaking, the challenge to do this is to have a solution that is highly customizable and that allows you to bring to the market very quickly new customers, new customer experiences. Yeah, historically, business travelers have been less adopting travel eSIM, probably a bit more inertia in a big company than in a household. And today, I believe it's a very interesting segment in the sense that it's less explored than B2C. You have frequent travelers that have high-end phones, i.e. often supporting eSIM compatible. And also you have the scale effect. So with one good deal with a travel agency, you can then target several companies, each in turn having several travelers, and you really have a great reach with one deal. And finally, those business travelers, they also travel privately. And so it also fuels your B2C business. So actually you can see several travel eSIM specialists going towards this business travelers. You have Orange Travel that recently announced an important deal with Selectour. You have specific offers from Olafly, from GeekSky, from Simigo. Here again, and as mentioned before, differentiation will be on the user experience that has to be excellent and personalized. Among eSIM technology providers, we mostly see two main approaches. The full package approach, where the technology provider brings not only the technology, typically the SMDP+, but also the connectivity. And typically, this works quite well with smaller players that are looking for an all-in-one solution, but often it lacks completeness and flexibility. All the more than, historically speaking, the technology providers are not connectivity providers. And then you have the second approach, which is the specialized approach, where the technology provider really focuses on delivering a product that is innovative and complete. And IDEMIA has taken this second approach, really focusing on the product, on the completeness of the feature, on the operational excellence, on the innovation. And typically it's our customers, either traditional telcos or new players, that leverage on IDEMIA products, bring the connectivity layer, and really deliver a full package to the eSIM travel industry.